Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact battery type, CR 2025 or CR 2032, so you don't guess. Place the remote on a soft cloth to protect buttons. Once positioned, find the seam and the small notch on the edge. This is where you'll insert a small flathead. Apply steady, gentle pressure and pry open in small 1-2 mm increments to avoid snapping the casing. Make sure you keep track of any tiny clips or rubber pads, as they can fall out when the fob separates. Once the fob is open, inspect and memorize the battery orientation, plus side up or down, then tell yourself to double-check before final assembly. Use tweezers or your fingernail to lift the old cell straight out without rocking it, because angled removal can damage contacts. Now place the new CR20XX cell into the cavity, making sure it sits flat and the metal spring or clip contacts press firmly against the battery edge. Once seated, test the fit manually so contacts won't shift when you snap the case closed. To finish, align the two halves and press them together until you hear an audible click. Make sure no rubber pads or buttons are out of place. Once closed, stand about 1 to 2 meters from the car and test lock, unlock, and any panic or trunk buttons to confirm signal strength. If the key doesn't work, reopen and recheck battery orientation and that contacts are clean. Use isopropyl on a cotton swab if corroded, and measure voltage if available. Most failures are simple contact or orientation errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.